Hello guys, in this video we'll tell you how to troubleshoot screen mirroring issues in Windows 11 or 10. Before we start the video guys, if you have any computer or software related problems, please feel free to contact us by visiting our website and using the submit a problem button and comment down below on our videos about your problem and we'll make a video for you to resolve it. Number 1. Check if your device supports Miracast. Press the Windows plus I key to open the Settings app. After that, go to System and click on Display in the following window. Locate the Connect to a wireless display option by expanding the Multiple Display section. Your device must support Miracast if you can see this option. If you are unable to, it is clear that a compatibility issue is the cause of your screen sharing difficulty. Number 2. Check compatibility and network connection. For hardware compatibility, your computer and the target display, that is your TV or monitor, should support screen mirroring. Both devices must have compatible hardware such as Wi-Fi Direct or Miracast. For network connection, press the Windows plus I keys to open the Settings app. Go to Network and Internet and click on Wi-Fi. Make sure you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your target device. Number 3. Enable the wireless display feature. For this, press the Windows plus I key to open the Settings app. From the left panel, select Apps, then click on Optional Features. Now, select Add an optional feature by clicking the View Features button. The Add an optional feature dialog should now be displayed. After that, type Wireless Display in the taskbar search box and click it. To install the feature, click Next and follow the on-screen instructions. Number 4. Run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. For this, press the Windows plus R key to open the Run dialog box. In the Run box, type this command and press Enter. After that, click on Next to run the troubleshooter. Number 5. Disable firewall temporarily. For this, go to Settings, click on Update and Security and click on Windows Security. After that, click on Firewall and Network Protection. Then, click on Domain Network. From there, toggle off for the Microsoft Defender Firewall. Number 6. Perform a repair install. For this, using a bootable device or a force restart, boot your Windows 10 or 11 to WinRE. Navigate to Troubleshoot, click on Advanced, then click on Startup Repair. Number 7. Update your graphic drivers. For this, press the Windows key plus R to open the Run box. From there, type devmgmt.msc and click OK to open the Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand the Display Adapters section. It will list all the integrated graphic drivers installed on your computer. Do the following for all of the drivers. Right-click on Display Driver and choose Uninstall Driver. Make sure to uncheck the Delete the driver software for this device option if it pop-ups. After that, go to Top menu in the Device Manager and under the Actions tab, select Scan for hardware changes. The driver should appear back in the list. If it does not, then don't worry. Just simply restart your PC and it will be back. After that, right-click on Display Driver again and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Window will scan for available driver updates and will download them. After that, restart your PC to apply the changes. If it didn't work, again right-click on the display driver and choose Update Driver. But this time, select Browse my computer for driver software. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the driver you want to install. Generally, it is the pre-selected top option in the list. And again click Next. Restart your PC to apply the changes. If even that doesn't work, you can try going to a laptop or graphic card manufacturer's official website and downloading the latest driver for your specific model from there. And then simply install the driver and restart your PC to apply the changes. So this was it for the video guys. We hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did, then make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And if it did not, then don't worry. Just comment down below the issue and we'll try to figure out what is wrong with your specific case. Thank you for watching.